The police say it was a Fedayeen attack on a CRPF camp that has been repulsed. 4 attackers have been killed, 4 AK-47 rifles, several grenades and hundreds of rounds have been recovered from the site of the encounter.
3 बजे हमारे जो कैंप पे फैन अटैक हुआ, पहला अटैक, जिसमें हमारे पीछे आप देख सकते हो हमारे जो मेन है इन्हीं को जो फोकस किया गया था। इसी में हमारे कमांडो रहते हैं जो मेन जो फोकस करके बनाया गया कश्मीर यूनिवर्सिटी कोर्स करके आए हुए थे, ठीक है। और उन्हीं के द्वारा ये जवाई फायर के दौरान वो 4 मिलिटेंट जो है मारे गए हैं, जिनके साथ AK-47 चाइनीज ग्रेनेड। जो हमारा कैंप एरिया है वो इतना जो क्लोज नहीं है, ओपन है, तो ऑब्वियस बात है उनका जो मोटिव था यही था कि फर्दर अटैक को जो है सक्सेस किया जाए।
Zafar Iqbal will be following the story today. Zafar, what more can you add to this? We know that 4 of the attackers have been killed. Any casualties on our side?
No casualties on the side of CRPF or the Jammu and Kashmir police, but clearly a big success for the security forces. Now this Fedayeen attack was repulsed and all the 4 suicide attackers were killed even before the first flight. They are trying to get inside the 45 battalion of the CRPF in Sumbal, Bandipur. The police say the alert sentry fired at them right at the gate of the camp. They were caught in the concertina wire. They couldn't get inside the camp, and that's the time when reinforcements came, reinforcements of Jammu and Kashmir police, and in a brief encounter all the 4 militants have been killed. 4 AK-47 rifles recovered, 1 under-barrel grenade launcher, and a large quantity of arms and ammunition, including a lot of grenades, have been recovered from them. Obviously the police and the CRPF says that they were perhaps in for a long haul. Once the militants would have entered inside the camp, a major tragedy has been averted. So today both the CRPF and the police have repulsed this major Fedayeen attack in Kashmir. This attack comes just 2 days after an army convoy was ambushed and 2 soldiers killed in Qazigund in South Kashmir. This is the second major attack which has been foiled by the security forces in Kashmir. Obviously, all the senior officers have gone to the spot. The searches are still going on, but the firefight has stopped. All the 4 bodies have been taken out, along with the ammunition that these militants were carrying. And police sources say that it seems that all the 4 were foreign militants and not local militants.
Thanks so much, Zafar. Let's also go across to Mr. Ravideep Sahi, who's the IG of the CRPF of the Srinagar zone. Mr. Sahi, thank you so much for joining us. First and foremost, a hugely successful operation for your men, for the forces, but this really could have been a serious and huge tragedy if things had gone according to the plan of these attackers.
Yeah, it is a huge success for CRPF, and they have come to attack on a CRPF camp which is located at Sumbal. And there were and our guards, security sentries who were on a camp duty, they were alert, and it took place around 4 o'clock early in the morning, and there was a first fire from a building which was about 150 yards away from our camp, and taking the advantage of the fire, this 4-5 they tried to come close to the camp and enter. Our CRPF personnel who were there on ground, they retaliated effectively, and all the 4 militants have been neutralized.
You said when right now 4-5 attackers, did you say? Do we know for sure that there were only 4? Are we still searching for any others? Possibly, could there be anybody else from their side, their team, that might have escaped?
Yeah, the search has started because, as I told you, the encounter started at 4 in the morning, and it ended after an hour of firefight. 4 bodies have been recovered, and these 4 bodies were just about 5 to 10 yards away from the perimeter fence of our security camp. So, as of now, we have the information that all the 4 militants who were involved in this Fedayeen attack has been neutralized. Yeah, and there were a lot of ammunition with them. AK-47 have been recovered, grenades, ammunition, and they were carrying fuel also with them. And what we feel as of now is that they were planning to enter and then set the camp on fire.